YouTube, what's going on? Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Lottie back with another video, man. Every morning I wake up at 5 o'clock, as you can see, and you know what I mean? I start my day off, man. I wake up, damn, I'm thankful that my do-rag is still on my head. And you know what I'm saying? We get a brush session in every morning. Let's get it. So I feel like it's only right that I start my morning off every day with a brush session just to make sure that the hair, you know what I'm saying, is being trained properly. Waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning is great because you get to do so much more. You know what I'm saying? You get to start yourself and prepare yourself for the day. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of people wake up and they don't even know what their waves look like. So it's really like they playing games, and that's not a good look. Also, a lot of times, I find myself thinking about what's gonna be my next YouTube video. So it's like, it's all trust in the process for me. And, ooh. Damn, I just realized I need to shape up. But it's alright though, we in that 5-week move. So y'all already know, rag back up.
A lot of times, when you do this, put the sticky on, you either have to flash out, or you can put your flash on. Maybe tape in it, you know what I'm saying? Or put your tape away. I like to put my tape away because, you know what I'm saying, I live in New York. A lot of times, it's on the train, you know what I mean? I don't really want nobody putting on the tape. It'll be cost slipping out there. Also, this video, we use the crown quality CGP. When you brush your time, you already know, you're provided by Diamond.
So once I'm dressed and I'm ready, it's pretty much straight to the Uber. As y'all can see, I keep all my stuff organized so I can know where to find it at. Silkies, usually we get crazy with it, but guess what? Your boy's going to the gym, so it's only right. Keep a black silky. Let's get it. So pretty much after I'm all done, it's straight to the Uber. Let's go. What's going on? From the Uber, we straight to the train. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we on time for it. Once I get out of the train, I'm pretty much just walking to work. And once I get to work, y'all already know that it's a party. So for most of y'all who pretty much grew up with me, y'all already know. Memories, man. Shout outs to Pace University, man. Big memories. Maria's Tower. Forever in my heart, not to never take us apart. Baby, smile at me. All right. But on another note, so yeah, man, a lot of people don't take the time out for their waves. They really think like it's a game, and like I told you, like waves is a lifestyle, it's a culture, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta put into it what you want to get out of it, you know what I mean? The more you brush your hair, the more you put the treatments in, the more you find new lay down methods that are healthy for your hair, the better your hair is gonna look. You know what I'm saying? And some people don't even know, like, they're killing their hair, they're hurting their hair, they're putting way too much product in there. Some people are using gel products, you know what I'm saying? Some people are using pomades like every single day, don't know that it doesn't matter how much grease you put in your hair. You know what I'm saying? It's really about just knowing your hair, knowing your pattern, brushing right, you know what I'm saying? And another thing is, yes, waking up dumb early in the morning is trash. 5 o'clock in the morning is trash. But every day you do it, you get better with it. You know what I'm saying? Every day you do it, you start to feel better about yourself. Like, damn, I accomplished more in the day. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, even with this YouTube thing, man, like, this is what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to work. I want to go to you. I want to wake up, create content for y'all, pump out content, and pretty much give y'all like all the information y'all need while giving y'all a little taste of, you know what I'm saying, my life. It is what it is. I mean, and that's only possible with my subscribers, with the people that are following this channel and showing love. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter how long we take to get there, as long as we get there. Work. Get here by 7 o'clock, and I'm here till 3. Then it's pretty much emails all day, and I don't know, answering phone calls. IGM security, please hold. So y'all already know what it is, man. We just finished work, and after work, we about to hit up this gym, because you got to get the body right, just like your sort of face mask. I was getting the face mask right the other day on the Instagram, you know what I'm saying? And let's get these gains. And just like that, I'm back to where I started off this morning. So shout outs to everybody, man, who's been supportive of the channel, man. I do appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is, man. I know, man, the energy's been a little bit up and down all day today, but it is what it is, man. Like I said, we are 5 weeks, man. Friday will make officially 6 weeks wolf, y'all. 6 weeks wolfing, y'all. I mean, I want to get the cut, you know what I'm saying? I think it's about time. My hairline looking crazy, and I think I've gained a lot. I think I've gained a lot of progress. But yeah, man, it is what it is. And I also wanted to show you guys how you can get so much done if you just woke up early, you know what I'm saying? And I wanted y'all to see what it's like to be a waver, man. So back to this brush session. I won't put y'all through another one of those, but shout outs to everybody. Let's get it.